क्या हुआ तो लोरी लोरी कर देना आदमी। भाई तुम्हारे पर गरमाई है, हम बिना गरमाई वाले हम लोग ज्यादा लगे भाई।
Hello, hello, hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Okay. Up to today is a fundamental of the subqueries, multiple row subqueries. Also, I will tell you today those two basics based only. Next classes onwards, don't miss the classes in a subquery, stop and analysis, inline views. So many advanced concepts. That is onwards main concepts on. But up to that one minimum basic single row and a multiple row introduction compulsory you must come here. Otherwise, you are unable to handle. In yesterday, we are telling about two models. One is parent query where clause in a single row subquery, and another one is parent clause group by clause is there. Means after that one having clause through also we are restricting the groups only. This is the two models I am telling. In these two models also child query only single value it will be returned. That is why single row subquery. Okay. Now last model. What is that last model in a where in a single row subquery means that is difficult. Anybody attending our previous classes, I am telling. After where clause, whatever column is there, same column in a 90% of the case. After where clause, whatever column is there, group function column in a child query, I am telling. Not only that one, a 2% of the letter expressions, 2% of the case, a different column also there. But in these different columns also available also, same data, type, same data type is there, then only working. Without same data type and similar data items are there, then only working, otherwise not working. Suppose that is a hierarchical data is there in a feature. Okay, so an empty table hierarchical data is there. Based on that one only, that query. But that query, those type of queries difficulty also hierarchical data is there. Then only you are okay. So now we are using what different columns, but those columns belongs to same data type. But whenever they are writing about that query, only your original queries how you are writing is first is right hand side. So now here right hand side only we are task we are solving. Again, we are using a what? A display mechanism we are using in a where? In a parent query. Then only you are writing a what? Those queries correctly. Otherwise, impossible. Otherwise, impossible. One predefined query is there, Oracle Corporation giving. Through that query, that model we are discussing only. Okay, so nothing is there. But unfortunately, so now here what they are asking about, so now here yes, okay, so now here yes, into your predefined query, and also so many fellows are explaining about through this query only different columns, but those columns belongs to same data type. Now here, in that case, employee number is a column is there, self-join already, MGR is a column is there. Those two columns based only that concept. What is that query means? Last model, observe here. I want to display the employees who are working under Blake as a manager. Blake is a manager is there. Those employees I want to display. So now here, yes, here. Actually, in a feature hierarchical data is there. One of these hierarchical queries, another chapter is there. In that one, I will tell you, King is a what? Employee. Under King only, now here, yes, here some other employees are there. Under King is a manager, here Clark, here Blake. So now here Jones like this only, now some employees are there. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Under Blake is a manager, under Matt, this Blake manager, another employees are working only. Now here, yes, here Allen is an employee, here Ward is an employee, Martin is an employee, Turner is an employee, some employees are there. James is an employee, some employees are there. That's why I want to display the employees who are working under, these all employees working under which one? Blake as a manager. Whenever Blake as a what manager, these all employees are working under Blake means maybe these all employees manager number is same. Suppose here I am working, you are working, another fellow is working under same manager means maybe that same manager ID is same or not. Yes, yes, same thing here also logic. Here, suppose this Allen employee manager number is a what? 1. Again, Ward employee manager number is 1. Martin employee manager number is 1. Turner employee manager number is 1. This manager number is a what? Employee number of the where? This Blake only. That's why those logical based only we are writing a what query. That is a last model. Different columns also possible only. What is that one? I will tell you. Now here. So now here write it. Write a query. This is also single process. Write a query. Anybody writing is great. Write a query to display the employees who are working under Blake. Blake is a okay, some name only. Okay, this is a manager name. Blake as a manager. This is a pretty different query. What I click on this. Blake as a manager from EMP table. By using int also I'm giving because difficult no? By using employee number MGR columns. Write a query to display the employees who are working under Blake as a manager from EMP table by using employee number, MGR columns. Maybe try it. This one anybody writing is really great because first which one MGR employee number, they're confusing one. And now here, actually this is a table is there. Now what is the logic behind that one is observed here. Now here actually Blake employee number we are taking, for example. This Blake employee number we have to find out means this is a employee number is a manager number of the some other employees are not. Suppose 7698, this is a manager number of the where Ellen. This 7698 is a manager number of the ward. This 7698 is a manager number of the Martin. This 7698 is a manager number of the where Turner. The 7698 is a manager number of the James. That's why Allen, Watt, Martin, Turner, James, these all employees are working under the same manager number means maybe those employees are working under that Blake is a manager. Why? Because that employee, then MGR number is a employee number of the where? Yes, Blake only. That's why first we have to find out Blake employee number, we have to find out. Now here this employee number as a what? Manager number of the where? Another employees. Then those employees only we are displaying Allen, Ward, Market. But left hand side, right hand side, I am not telling anything. You are only think logically, you are only right. Because this is a pure logical base. Right to left, your writing is correct. Right to left. Slowly, whatever you know, write it. Wrong also not a problem. Because logical query this one. First is MGR or employee number confusing. That's why logically you are writing a correctly is great. It's a predefined query, I agree, but different columns purpose, practice purpose, they are giving. Very good, one fellow or Avijay, you are writing 100% correct. Okay, try it. Okay, maybe first time, no? Then I am starting multiple rows of queries. That is most interesting concept in your database. Slowly try it. Last 1 minute only, try it, that query. Very good. 6 members are writing. In that case, we know the Alim, Shravan, Vijay, these 5 persons, they are right. Again, last half minute straight. Simple logic. Whenever you are writing a right to left, then maybe you are writing correctly. Right to left. First is MGR or first is employee number, confusing. That's why this query, predefined query, not my Oracle Corporation giving different column purpose. We actually self-join concept this one, but query format. Actually, this query also in a future, hierarchical queries are there, another chapter. Through that one, a more flexible way we are writing. Simple logic is very easy. Task we are writing in a way, task we are writing in a way, here task we are writing in a way in a right hand side, and so now here yes, and okay, so now here display mechanism we are writing in a way left hand side. Task we are writing in a way right hand side. Here display mechanism we are writing in a way left hand side. Okay, na? Yes, what is the task here? First, we have to find out this Blake employee number. You have to find out. We don't know. So now here, Blake employee number. We have to find out. This employee number here, something is there, single value here, something 7698. This is a what a manager number of the where. Yes, this is a manager number of some employees. Means these all employees are working under this employer. Not simple. This manager are not simple. There is a logic behind that one only. Simple that one. And now here, check it out. Here, concentrate. And now here, simple logic only. That's why I don't confuse. Right to left only you're writing means simple, that easy. Why right to left, right to left? So many times I'm telling you today multiple rows of query means the task right to left only you're understandable. That much of powerful. Now observe here. First observe here. Yes, here, what is the logic? Blake employee number, we have to find out first. Okay, fine. This is a 7698. Under this employee, some other employees are working means under this manager means here manager number is a 7698. Then only these employees are working under this one. That's why this Blake employee number we have to find out first. That is a task. That is right hand side we are writing. Okay, fine. Now here, these all employees, okay, sorry, this number, MGR number is there, this MGR number is there, this employee number, those all employees are working under this one. Suppose here 7698 LN, 7698 is a what? 7698 is a Martin, 7698 is a Turner, 7698 is a James, simple. That's why first we are writing a task. Where we are writing a what a task means you have to find out here. Yes, right hand side you are writing. Okay, yes, here. Right hand side. Here, right hand side, which one? Select. Here, which one? Very good. Employee number, MGR number. Very good. Employee number from EMP where E name is equal to Blake. Okay, fine. This is your task only. Okay, na? Yes. Whenever we have to find out this one Blake employee number, we don't know. So now here, what is that one? 7698. This is a single value, it will be returned. That's why this is a single row subquery. Maybe this 7698 is a MGR number is there. Those all employees are working under this manager or not? Yes, that's why logically very easy. Now here, check it out. Here is equal to here like this. Here display mechanism. This is a MGR number is there. This employee number is a MGR of the another employees means those employees are working. This is a display. Okay, na? Yes, a display means how can I select? E name is enough. Otherwise star from EMP, where here MGR is equal to here select the employee number like. That's why how much easy logic only. But here you are observing or not, here different column, here different column. This is also possible. Hierarchical data set, this is possible. But here data type is same. Here same data type is there. Here number, some related data is there or not. Then only this model is possible. I'm copying this one only. I try to execute like this. And now here, observe it here. Yes, here Ellen, Ward, here Martin, Turner, James, working under which one? Yes, here 7, 6, 9. It is a manager. Okay, yes. Again, that names I want to display means we are using in a future correlated side. Just this is only single row subquery set, logical side. Write it. Okay, now first is MGR, then only employee. Some fellows are without any thinking means first left hand side employee number they are writing. That's why I am telling you what right to left is a better option in a queries, complex queries you are writing, because logically you are writing those things. Little bit of difficulty is there in logic means right to left better. Okay, yeah. Completed. Finished. And now very important. This is the fundamental concepts of the single row subquery. Up to that one, that models are enough. Next, here multiple row subqueries, most powerful, but unfortunately, one universal concept too. We are explaining about multiple row subqueries. Now here, this is a universal concept. But simply child query data has multiple values, there is multiple rows of query. I'm not interested. Why? Because one popular entry question is there, and also problems where they existing in a database side, you have an idea means then you are a good professional. That's why today, so now here 20 minutes concentrate, very important. Whatever I'm explaining, only slowly observe it. Through that one only you are understandable so many things. In a future, multiple column side, that solution, so many things. And today problem side I am telling, okay now? Yes, here. Now concentrate here. Anybody attending a previous classes, I'm telling you what, group by classes I'm telling or not? Yes, through that one only we are starting what, some multiple rows of queries. Now slowly observe it here. Previous classes different, this class is different, totally. Suppose, now slowly observe it here. I want to display each department maximum salary. For example, slowly observe here. This is very interesting, beautiful concept only. I like this concept. Why? Because something is there today, new concept, always new concept in there today. Now observe here. Here, department number, maximum salary, observe it here. I 10th department maximum salary, 20th department maximum salary, 30th department maximum salary. I want to display here. Okay. Up to this one, there is no problem because group by clauses, you have an idea. Suppose each department maximum salary in EMP table means select. Individual group function means there is no problem. Don't write it, observe here. Individual group function means there is no problem. But where the problem is occurred, group function with normal column we are using means, then only problem I'm telling. In this case only, group function means all values at a time is executed internally. Normal column is record by record is executed. Synchronization is not there. That's why in this case only we are using a group by clause. I'm telling up to this one, there is no problem. After group by, other than group function column, which column is there? Department number is there. That column we are using only, then automatically, yes, each department maximum salary it will display. Observe here something is there. 10th department maximum salary, which one? 5,100. 20th department maximum salary, which one? 3,000. 30th department maximum salary, how much? 2,850. Up to this one, there is no problem. Again, yesterday, anybody attending means I want to restrict these groups. We are using a what? Having clause. And indirect values means after having clause means child query we are using only. Okay, na? Yes, that is everyone knows. But today, not like that. This is a group by clause report is there. Extension of the group by clause I want. This is different totally. Restriction already you have an idea, but here extension I want. What is extension means? Screen observe here. Suppose this is a query is there. Each department maximum salary is there. Logical observe here. Logically very, very important concept here. Now here, this concept you don't have an idea up to today. Now that's why this is most beautiful concept. Interview questions also this one. Suppose here, what is my requirement means this each department maximum salary is there. But unfortunately here, what is my requirement? Suppose here also, I am also working in a company, for example. In a company side, departments are there 10, 20, 30, for example. Maybe in our department, we are working in a 10th department, some employees means 10th department maximum salary is there. Maybe this 10th department maximum salary is getting by some employees, maybe 1 or 2 or 3 employees or not. Those employee names I want to display. So 10th department maximum salary getting by maybe any number of employees also, that employee name I want to display. Extension this one, not a restriction, extension. Suppose 30th department maximum salary 2,850, maybe one employee is taking a what? That salary only. And now here, yes, here. Now any employee, that employee name I want to display. Maybe any employee, I don't know. Okay, and now again, yes, here 20th department maximum salary getting by some one employee only. That employee name I want to display. That's why what is my requirement? Observe here, logical observe here. I want to display the employees who are getting a maximum salary in each department. Those employees' own names only I want to display. I want to display the employees who are getting maximum salary in each department. Display the employees who are senior most employees in each job. Like this, these type of queries. Observe here. These different queries. Display the employees who are getting maximum salary from each department. That is a requirement. Okay. Suppose you are a first-time newcomer. I am a first-time newcomer. Whenever anybody asking about this query in a project side or outside or anything, what we are thinking of, nothing is there. Just here, display the employees who are getting maximum salary in each department. They are asking only. Oh, these employees are available in a where? Which column? Which column? How you are thinking means observe here. These employees are available which column? E-name column. That's why just I am putting a what? You are putting a E-name column within a where this group by class report. Then automatically it is getting correct output. We are thinking, but unfortunately it won't work. Why it is not working? This is a most powerful concept. Observe here. Suppose I am also, you are also thinking, I want to display the employees who are getting a what? A maximum salary in each department means here E-name is under E-name column only, these employees are there. That's why this E-name column directly we are using in a where in this group by class report side, I'm putting only. Then what happened? Observe here. Suppose here, oh, maybe employees are okay available in a where which column? E-name column. I am also, you are also putting first time, I am also same thing, only first time learner means I am also putting like this. But whenever we are using this one, this query is not working. Why? Because already you are thinking, oh, maybe, okay, whenever we are using a group by clauses, other than group function column, how many columns are there here? 2 columns are there. Those 2 columns we are using in a where after group by, then only working. I am telling in a olden days. That's why maybe you are also thinking like that. Whenever we are executing this query, it won't work. Not a group by expression, that is everyone knows. In that case, whatever Murlis are telling about like that olden days, that's why so many fellows are following that rule only. Comma, e-name, they're writing also, it won't work. The wrong output. That's the problem. Why? What is the reason behind that one? This is the most powerful. Group by clause, one drawback is there. Up to now, I am not telling. In this case only, you must familiar. That's why the task we are solving by using a what? Subquery is only possible today. What is this one? What is the problem is observe it here. Now check it out. Whenever we are using this one, is a wrong output, it will display. Same, all the employee names, it will be displayed only. But I don't want like this. This is a wrong output. This is a wrong output. All the data, all the salaries, all the employees, it will be displayed. This is a wrong output. Why wrong result only? It will be retrieved. That is important. How we are achieving a what? This task means compulsory subqueries only we are using. Individual group by clauses means failure. Why? What is that one? What is going on? You must familiar. At least you are a first time newcomer also. Reasons you must familiar. What is that one? Means observe it here. Up to now, I am not telling that one. Now check it out. Actually, in a group by class side, 2 terminologies are there. Up to now, I am not telling. Why? Because now I am telling. That's why I am not telling previous case. You are confusing only your previous case. Means one is aggregatable columns. Observe it here. The rule is that aggregatable columns. Another one is normal columns, non-aggregatable columns. 2 things are there in a where in a group by class report. Aggregatable columns and non-aggregatable columns. Aggregatable columns and non-aggregatable columns. Aggregatable columns means always observe it here. Duplicate data is there, more duplicate data is there, and now that is called aggregatable columns. Again, non-aggregatable columns means duplicate data is not there, normal values are there, unique values, otherwise less duplicate data is there. That is called, yes, non-aggregatable columns. Aggregatable columns means duplicate data is available. That is called aggregatable columns. Non-aggregatable columns means duplicate data is not there. Okay, unique values are there. That is called non-aggregatable columns. But whenever we are using a what? Group by class. Group by class, always aggregatable column with group by only. I'm telling you are observing or not. I'm not explaining also. Observe here, aggregatable columns with group by, I'm telling indirectly. What is that one? Means how you are understandable means, now here, check it out. Here, check it out here. What is that one? Now here, concentrate here. Now here, suppose here, aggregatable column with group by. Now here, check it out. And now here, check it out. Here. And now here, select. So now here, just observe it here. I am selecting a what here? Select. Here, I am telling previous classes. Individual group function I am telling. Observe it here. Whenever individual group function is there, there is no problem. So many times I am telling only. Observe it here. But in that classes you are observing or not? Oh, maybe group function individually means there is no problem. I'm telling so many times, but unfortunately, you are observing or not, you are intelligent fellow means you are observing or not. I am telling in my classes, other than group function column, suppose here normal columns you are trying to display, then it won't work. I'm telling, but in that classes, only I'm telling the 2 columns only you are observing or not. Only department number I'm telling. Department number column is a what? Aggregatable column. aggregatable column. Aggregatable column. That is duplicate data is there. Aggregatable column. That is 10, 10, 10 something is there. That is aggregatable column. Here duplicate data is there. 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30 is there suppressed. Again, otherwise, a job is a column I'm taking. You are observing or not. Job also I'm taking. Other than these two columns, I'm not taking. You are observing or not. Job also aggregatable column. Aggregatable column. Aggregatable column. Now here, yes. In that case, also job clerk. Here, clerk is there. Duplicate data is there or not? Salesman is there. And now here, yes, manager is there. That's why whenever group function with aggregatable column means there is no problem in a group by clause. Actually, group by clause reports are always group function with aggregatable columns. There is no problem in a where in a group by clause. Group by clause, there is no problem. Okay, fine. But a non-aggregatable columns we are using means 100% wrong result. It won't work. That's why I'm not using a non-aggregatable columns. Okay, you are observing or not? Only yes, job comma sum of salary from EMP group by. Here job I'm writing only. This job is a what? Aggregatable column. There is no problem. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, when we are trying to display non-aggregatable columns, wrong results. When we are try to display non-aggregatable columns, group by clauses returns a what? A wrong result. Why means non-aggregatable columns means unique values are there, duplicate data is not there means it does not suppress a what? A duplicate data, less duplicate data is there, then each and every row it will display. There is a problem. That's why in a previous case, now here check it out. I am writing a what? Select here department number, that's aggregatable column, and a maximum salary. And now here from EMP group by here department number, group by department number. This is aggregatable function, aggregatable column here. There is no problem, but unfortunately, when we are trying to display non-aggregatable column, this E name is a what? Non-aggregatable column. Whenever we are using a what? A non-aggregatable column, 100% wrong result. Why? Because unique values are there or not. That's why again same each and every row it will display. Suppose here department number come E name. Yes, here this is a wrong output. Is a wrong output or not? Non-aggregatable columns. That's why if you want to display these type of non-aggregatable columns result means, then don't try to use a what? Group by clauses individually. Here we are converting this one into where? Convert this one into where? Subqueries. Then only possible. Convert this one into where? Subqueries. Subqueries. Then only solution. What is that one means? In that one, how can I means task we are writing in a where? In a child query task. Suppose I want to display the employee details who are getting maximum salary in each department means, and now here, yes, here, that a task, each department maximum salary we are writing in a where? In a child query. Now, whatever display mechanism E names are there, no? Display mechanism we are writing in a where? Those employee salaries getting by some employees are there in a where? Non-aggregatable columns we are displaying in a parent query. Then this is a solution. This much of knowledge is required. How much concept is there? Observe here. So many fellows doesn't know this one. Normally they are learning a bookish knowledge. Normally means no use. That's why experience is required here. Now check it out slowly. That's why I'm telling. Now here check it out. First you are writing a what query. Through that query, I'm telling that one. That problem we are rectifying through multiple row and then multiple columns. So many things are there. First, write a query. Write a query. Very important. This is a multiple row we are starting. Write a query. Write a query. to display the employee details, I'm asking. That is better. Employee details. To display the employee details. Write a query to display the employee details. Who are getting maximum salary in each department from EMP table. Write a query to display the employee details who are getting. Write a query to display the employees who are. Write a query to display the employee details who are getting maximum salary in each department from EMP table. Okay. Now slowly observe here. Group by may impossible because employee details means non-aggregatable column. That's why first we are converting this one into subquery. Means task we are writing in a where in a child query. Okay. Yes. Then only display employee details. I am telling select star from EMP where salary is equal to something. Okay. So that employee details, okay, not a column names, employee details you have to write it. Why? Because then column names I am telling. Why? Because some other thing is there. First you have to try it. First employee details in a parent query. Task we are writing in a where. Each department maximum salary we are writing in a where. In a child query. Maybe try it through this one. I am starting only. Slowly, because this is different concept actually. This is a pure logical based. Why this query only slowly we are telling me this query again solution means not only multiple row in a future multiple column big concept is there. Otherwise analytical functions are there. Slowly, whatever you know, write it. Wrong also not a problem. Why? Because these are different concepts actually. That's why. Whatever you know, write it. Very good. One fellow is writing Ravi Gupta. Yeah, correct. 100%. So slowly try it. Not a problem. Any errors also not a problem. Slowly try it. Then I am telling again something is there. Then this is why multiple row. What is the operators we are using? So many things I am telling. Take your own time. Last 1 minute only. Try it. Because queries means you are trying only. Then onwards, stop and analysis onwards. My responsibility. All the things new concept. Up to that one slowly. Very good. 3 persons are writing 100% correct. Now here, check it out. Slowly observe it here. Yes, here. And now, why this query means yes, here again something is there. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Very good. So now so many fellows are telling what they're asking. Write a query to display employee details. I'm telling, not a e-name salary, like employee details. I'm asking why, because some slight difference is there. Now select display mechanism parent query. No, yeah. Select the normal individual group by means failure in those type of situation. In that case, query side we are writing only in those type of situation. Select star for emp where normal where class where normal queries. Okay, where salary, that one salary based, no, salary is equal to here select. But here another rule. Sorry, already we are familiar. After where clause, whatever column is there, same column I'm using means failure in this case. Why? Because each department maximum salary, highest salary. Okay, na? Yes, that's why salary is failure. Some fellows are e-name comma salary they are writing. No. Why? Because here how many columns are there? Those number of columns. Here one column is there, one column only here. Here we are using a what? E-name is wrong one. Now here, that's why these four rules are very important only. Already I'm telling. After where clause, whatever column is there, same column. After where clause, whatever column is there, group function column, so many times are repeated. That is important. Okay, na? Yes, here. Multiple column wise different. First, observe here. Now select here, because employee details are available, e-names and all these things here in parent query. Task only we are writing in a child query. That's why select. First rule is failure. Second rule, after where clause, whatever column is there, group function suitable or not? Yes, your group function is suitable. Max of salary from emp. Here we are using a what? Very good. Group by. Very good. Why? Because each department they are asking. Particular department means there is no problem this query, but each department they are asking. That's why here group space by here department number. Very good. This is the logic. 100% correct logic, but unfortunately we are writing a what? This query also it won't work. 100% query logic is correct, but why it is not working means here, yes, logic is not a problem, operator is a problem. One operator is only problem. Why? Means some result child query return values are totally different. This is a multiple row subquery. How you are given the guarantee this is a multiple row subquery means I will tell you. This is an operator is equal to, we are not allowed to use another operator we are using. Why? And what is that one means? Execution side I'm telling, through that one you are understandable. Whenever I'm writing a what this one, then automatically internally child query here returns a what? Multiple salaries here. Child query returns multiple values means multiple row subquery. In that case, single row subquery returns more than one row is an error. That's why in place of is equal to some other operator is using means they're only working. So now why we are using that one, how it will be executed, those all the things I will tell you. First I'm executing, copy this one. Now check it out here. Yes, this is a subquery. A subquery means child query. No? Subquery returns more than one row. Or maybe something is there. Child query, multiple values, it will be written in this case. Some problem is there, I will tell you. Okay, na? Yeah, so now here, write it this one. This query, write it. And also error, write it. Then solutions, all the things, multiple row, I will tell you. Slowly. This query, write it, and also error, write it. Don't worry, one of these days is all easy. Something. Error, write it. Okay. Finished this error. And now, why this error and how we are rectifying this problem is simple. First, how this query is executed, observe here. Suppose here, each department maximum salary is there. 10th department, 5,100. 20th department, 3,000. 30th department, 2,850 is there. Observe here. Now here, slowly observe here, some values are there. Now check it out. Slowly observe here. How this query is executed, I will tell you now. Here, 10th department, maximum salary, in a where, yes, here 10th department, maximum salary, how much is there? 5,100, yes, here. 20th department, maximum salary, something is there. Okay, fine. Yes, what is that one? In a internet, 3,000. Again, 30th department, maximum salary, now here maybe 2,850, something is there. Okay, fine. Observe here slowly. Based on this one, how this query is executed means concentrate. Yes, actually, whenever we are submitting about this query, first parent query table alias name, it will be checking, not there. That alias name we are not using in a child query. That's why this is not a correlated subquery. That's why it will be treated as a simple algorithm, non-correlated subquery, this one, because table alias name is not there. Okay, in this case, okay. This is a non-correlated subquery. Non-correlated subquery means first which part is executed, child query is executed. Slowly observe it here, child query. Child query means select the maximum salary, that is maximum salary, this one, maximum salary, select maximum salary. From EMP, group by department number, 10th department maximum salary, it will be fetching. Now here, 10th department maximum salary, how much? Here, 5,100. 10th department means not a problem, but 20, 30 also, because group by no, yes, here. Second time, select maximum salary, 3,000. Now from department number 20, that's why 3,000 also, it will be taken. Okay, fine. And now here again, another value. Here, 30th department maximum salary, select maximum salary, and now this one maximum salary from EMP group by department means here 30th department maximum salary, it will be taking only 2,850. But unfortunately, this child query in this case internally, how many values it will be returned? Single value or multiple values? Multiple values internally return. That's why subquery returns more than one row. More clearly, error also it will be displayed. That's why child query returns a more than one value, one row. That is called multiple row subquery. These type of queries are called multiple row subquery. Without execution knowledge, how I am given the guarantee these are multiple row subquery means nobody given the guarantee. Based on the error, we are identifying only. Single row subquery returns more than one row is a message is there, then we are reading that message, you are experienced person, you are understandable. That's why done execution they are checking. This is a multiple row subquery. Child query returns a single value means single row subquery. Child query returns a multiple values means this is a multiple row subquery. In a multiple row subqueries, don't try to use is equal to operator. Why means I will tell you. Is equal to, so these type of operators are not working. Some special operators are there. So now here n equal to na, not equal to na, unequal to all, not equal to all. So many things are there. Okay, greater than na, greater than all, something. And now that's why in every database, multiple row subquery side, yes, here, okay, some other operators we are using. Why and what is that one means? Observe it here. Suppose here how this query is executed means concentrate here, concentrate here. Suppose these are the multiple values are there in a right hand side. I'm popping only, observe here. In this query, child query returns a multiple values. No, yes, here multiple values are there. Slowly observe here. Here very interesting. Not completed. Multiple values are there. What the problem is equal to operator means observe here. Multiple values are there. Okay, multiple values. Here multiple values are there. Is equal to is there. Left hand side, this query is there. What is the query? So this is a table is there. Select the star from EMP where salary. Okay, fine. Salary is a column is there. No? Yeah. In this salary column, slowly observe here. Here 800, 2000, 3000, some values are there. Observe here 800 is a salary. 2000 is a salary. Here 3000 is a salary. 5000. So many salaries are there. But how it will be executed here, left hand side always, each and every row, record by record, it will be checking. Select star from EMP where salary is equal to, where salary means first salary it will be taking. Not all the values, first salary, how much? 800. Now 800 is equal to 5,100, 3,000 and 2,850 matching. No, what this is not working. Why? Because anybody good at mathematics means whenever we are using the is equal to operator, left hand side one value, right hand side also one value we are using. Either 1 is equal to 1 or 1 is equal to 5, 1 is equal to 7, like this only. Left and right hand side only a one value means it will be comparing only. And now here, yes, not equal to operator also, 1 is not equal to 9 or anything like this means left hand side one value and the right hand side one value only working. But unfortunately, anywhere in the worldwide, here 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3 is there, impossible. 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, how can I compare? Whenever we are using a is equal to not equal to means left and right hand side, only one value at a time is comparing. Same like here also, one value is there in a left hand side, multiple values are there in a way right hand side. In that case, is equal to operator not comparing. Is equal to relational operator greater than less than relational operators compares only one value at a time. Multiple values impossible. But unfortunately, in a databases, single value with multiple values comparison is required. In that case, if you want to compare these type of single value with multiple values, anybody having idea? Very good. In place of is equal to, we are using a what? In operator we are using. That's why whenever child query returns a multiple values, then those type of queries are called multiple row subqueries. In a multiple row subqueries, some other operators we are using, not is equal to, not equal to, another operators, in, all, in a, some special operators are there. First, in we are using a what today? All and in a means after correlated subquery, I am telling a what all in a multiple row, again some different situation. Okay, it's first basic level. And now here how it is working? Yes, whenever we are using a in operator, it is working. How means 800 is equal to, first here internally in is converted into pick one by one value is equal to 5,100. First it will be checking, that is not true. Okay, fine. Again second time 800 is equal to, yes here 3,000, not true. 800 is equal to, yes here, okay, so now 2850, yes here, that is not true. That's why single value compare with the multiple values means in operator we are using. In operator internally uses is equal to one by one value or not. That's why 800 not a output. Again second time 2000 is there. 2000 is equal to 5,100, 2000 is equal to 3,000, 2000 is equal to, okay, 2850. It will be checking in a in operator. That is also not true. Again 3,000 next. Here 3,000 is equal to 5,100. No, 3,000 is equal to 3,000 matching. Yes, that record it will be retro. This record 3,000 equal to 3,000. That record it will be retro. 5,000 or 3,000 is equal to 2850. Not working. Again here one of these states 5,000 is there. 5,000 is equal to 5,000. No. 5,100. No. 5,000 is equal to 3,000. No. 5,000 is equal to 2,850. No. Again one of these states 5,100. One of these states 2,850 matching only. Then those records only it will be displayed. That is important. That's why whenever child query returns a multiple values, those type of queries are called multiple row subqueries. Whenever multiple row subqueries are there, Oracle server returns an error, single row subquery returns more than one row. In that case, just we are using a what in place of is equal to operator, we are using a what? Which one? In is operator. In is used to pick the values one by one from list of values or not. In operator internally uses is equal to or not. But one by one value it will be taking. That's why it is working only. Yes, you are working or not? Yes. Again, in this case only more clearly output means just here, I want to display employee name, e-name, salary, department number means in place of star, we are using the what? DPT number, comma, salary only we are displaying. Max means again problem. That's why here, now here, that's why here we are using the what? Salary only, comma, employee names. This is the way it will be displayed like this. Now here, each department maximum salary. Last only order by later. Okay. 10th department maximum salary getting by this thing is employee. 30th department maximum salary getting by this employee. 20th department two employees are getting by so the maximum salary spot and 4. Again this wrong output. Why? Because again this is a what 2850 in a where another department maximum salary means that is also it will be displayed. In this case only, in a future multiple columns of query we are using, that much of depth is there. That's why very slowly I'm telling this query. This is a predefined query and most powerful. Up to this one, this query again full-fledged way in a multiple column side. Okay, this problem also we are explaining. But at least multiple row subquery understandable or not? Yes, write it. Single row subquery returns more than one row. Okay, na? Error. Write it. Next para. This is an multiple row subquery because here child query returns multiple values. In multiple row subqueries, we are using in comma, later all is there, all comma any operators. In comma, all comma any also important in a feature. Okay, don't worry. In comma, all comma any operators. Write a note. We can also use, write a note, write it. We can also use in operator within single row subquery. Single row means in a previous classes you know single row subquery. Single row also what working? Single row subqueries. Now solution, write it. Solution in the sense roughly, not exact solution. Exact problem means multiple column extension is there. This one in a future one of these days. This is a random order also. I'm not giving a sorting order by. Why? Because order by again another problem. That's what top analysis next. This all things so much powerful. Write it. This one we are write it or this one better no? Columns management. In a future, the same concept we are achieving by using the analytical functions are there. That is Oracle 8 data works. That's why this old and this concept also. Sorting I'm not using. Why? Because some other problem we are explaining it. This is a random order only, right? Later some order assigning this. One fellow is telling, yes, correct. In a future, I'm telling you, I'm changing the the salary into where another department has salary, then wrong output. Because whenever multiple rows of query means in a group wise, some problem is there, multiple values, it will be select first. These values are there in a group also, it will be displayed. There is a problem. That's why I want to get correct result in this case only. In a future, multiple column also we are using. That is most powerful column comparison. Okay, there is a letter. Don't worry this one. Up to this one, oh, maybe multiple rows of queries are there. Not an exact solution in this case. Okay, yeah. Again, this one we are learning one of these days. Finished. Write it another query, practice purpose, small query, no onwards. This is also multiple rows. Write a query. This is easy. Write a query to display the employees. To display the employees who are working in either sales or research. After that, research. Either sales or research departments from EMP, DEPT tables. Without using joins, now write a query to display the employees who are working in either sales or research departments from EMP, DEPT tables. Write a query to display the employees who are working in either sales or research departments from EMP, DEPT tables. This is how much easy observed here. Suppose in a previous classes you have an idea. This is without using joins normally. Practice purpose. EMP table is there and also DEPT table is there. What I am telling in a previous class, I want to display the employees who are working in a sales department means we are writing, but sales and research also I'm asking. Single column, multiple values means either in operator or operator we are using or not. Yes, here. In that case, how can I suppose here select a star from employee table? Okay, where department number common column base? No, why? Because employee details are there in EMP table. Department name details are available in where? In your DEPT table. Common column base only is equal to select. Here department number same column no, from DEPT where D name is equal to single column multiple values. D name is equal to sales. Or operator or in operator is there or not? Yes, here or D name is equal to research. But unfortunately, what is the problem? In this simple query also, yes, it won't work. Why? Because multiple values it will be written here 20, 30, multiple values it will be written child query. That's why it will give us a error. Single row sub query returns more than one row. Really, multiple rows it will be written or not? Check it out. This is a query is there. Okay, fine. Yes, here. This is a query is there. Now here in this query side, child query only I'm executing. Child query I'm executing separately. Observe here. Now, whenever child query I'm executing means yes, multiple values it will be written or not 20 and 30. Okay, joins also possible, but first subquery side. Multiple values child query returns means then a single row subquery returns more than one row. It will give us an error. Multiple values we are comparing means how can I just here? Yes, this query whatever query is there in that query only. Here child query returns multiple values means just here we are using a what? In place of is equal to we are using a what? In otherwise in a feature we are using like observe here. Yes, automatically 20, 30 it will display or not. But again in place of 20, 30 again sales and research means again a parent query joins we are using. Okay na? Yes, yeah. Write it this one. Directly write it in operator through. This is a small basic. Okay, na? Today Saturday now. Up to this one is enough. Monday onwards, don't miss the classes. Why? Because based on this small knowledge only, token analysis we are learning that onwards most powerful inline views. Okay, so row num, row ID. Those all the concepts are very, 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 very important. Minimum basic of single row, multiple row, basic only telling. Now main concepts means different actually. And now in a future, and now here what are the concepts are available in this subquery chapter means most powerful. That is important only. And now here check it out. Here and now single row, multiple row, basic after just top n analysis is there. Okay. Yeah, another queries are there in a multiple row. Don't worry, I will tell you. Top n analysis. This onwards important. Inline views, row num, what is the problem? So how we are writing? Okay, some row num alias names to restrict in the rows. Why row num is equal to 2 is not working? That conditions. And now here so much a powerful concept. Here row num big concept only. Here how we gonna filter the data by using the row num. Now here odd number of even number of records, then ranking functions, row num related concepts only. And now here these analytical functions are there. Okay, find most powerful rank, dense rank, and row underscore number. The row ID, delete duplicate rows from the rows only. That's why this chapter only most powerful. And a lag and a lead functions, analytical functions. Then only correlated subquery. In that correlated subquery side, a display and the salary employee, second a salary employee. After that one only, just we are using a what exist operator, in versus exist most powerful. That is the most powerful concept. After that one only, here again, in and all and any operators, I'm not telling in a first, in only we are telling, yes, in a multiple row subquery side where we are using in a real-time project side. Again, multiple column subquery is there. Okay, what is the problem? In a where here, this each department highest value I'm changing only. Then how we are rectifying that problem? Observed here, solution by multiple column subqueries. And now those all the things we are telling. That is the most powerful. That's why Monday I will tell you those important concepts. Monday will continue. Okay. Thank you. Happy Sunday. Thank you. Monday will. Okay, na? Yeah.